Hello pretty faces, how are you doing? This is Laura and today we are gonna make this amazing and easy bracelet. If you are starting to make jewelry, this is perfect for you. Actually, it's the first I made. Yeah, my very first, so if it was my beginning, it can be yours as well. I already have this video on my channel, but many of you asked me for the instructions, so here it is. Same old video, but with my sexy voice. First of all, cut a straw like 4-5 centimeters. And choose the leather cord you like the most. For example, right now I want my knot to be black, so I'm gonna put the black cord below the turquoise one. If you want the turquoise one to be the knot color, just put it below the black, alright? Put the straw over the two cords, take your black cord and wrap it once. As you can see here, I'm crossing that black cord because we are gonna wrap this cord backwards. You can wrap it as many times as you want, but I think that for this 1mm cord 3 times is enough. And when you are done, you have to take the tail and go through the straw. Next step is a little bit delicate, so pay attention. Hold very well the knot and remove the straw. Do it little by little, there's no need to rush. And obviously keep yourself holding that knot very well. Now pull that tail, that black tail, little by little to tighten the knot. Eventually moving your fingers up and down is gonna help you to tighten, so it's something you can do if you don't feel it very secure. And tighten as much as you can until you are happy with your result. No worries, I'm gonna do this again with another cord. This time I want my knot to be red, so I'm putting my red cord below the white one. So first I'm gonna wrap, making that cross, remember, because I'm gonna wrap backwards. This is my slow motion cross. I really hope you see this much better now. I think it's easier with this cord because I really want you to understand the process very well. When you are done with the cross, all you have to do is to start wrapping. You can wrap, remember, 2, 3, 4 times, as many times as you want. And now come through the straw. Hold your knot, remove the straw, and pull to tighten. Move your finger up and down, it's gonna help you a lot, I promise. And pay attention, I'm going to pull both tails to tighten. Okay, let's go back to the original bracelet. When you have your first knot done, you have to insert as many beads as you want, whatever you have at home, it doesn't matter. In my case, it's just 1 bead, 1 charm, and another bead. And then we are gonna make another knot, it's exactly the same but in the opposite way. My recommendation for you is to practice this knot before starting the bracelet. Well, finally, all you have to do is to add a clasp. This time I'm using a magnetic one because they are very easy to put on the wrist, but you can use whatever you want. If you are using a magnetic one, be sure that you're using the perfect glue. This brand, Bracelet, is really good for jewelry, so I highly recommend it, but it's up to you. Let it dry, and that's it. I think it could be a very nice necklace as well. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very happy.